Hey everyone, today I filmed this makeup. I had a lot of fun. It's kind of inspired by the holidays, so I think it'd be perfect for any kind of holiday party. So if you enjoy, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Maybe go watch some of my other videos if you're interested. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so before I start, I'll be using the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I love this stuff. It doesn't feel like a primer, it feels like a moisturizer. I've been doing this thing recently. I saw a video on YouTube, I don't know, a little bit ago. I don't remember whose it was. But she did this thing where she puts her bronzer, her blush, her highlight, everything on before she does her foundation, and then puts foundation on over it. And it looks so good, and I've been doing it recently, and it's working really well, so I'm going to do it today. It's best when you use cream products because it just blends better with the foundation if you use powder, and then the wet foundation on top kind of is weird. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour little cream thing. So I just do that on both sides. Same Wet n Wild makeup stick blush that I'm gonna use on my cheeks, literally like that. And I know I look ridiculous, but I promise it looks fine when it's done. For highlight, I'm gonna do NYX NYX, I don't know, Bright Idea Illuminating Stick and Sun-Kissed Crush. Strobe cream. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I'm gonna blend it all out. Now I'm gonna do some concealer. Use my Bliss Correct Yourself pen on all my little dudes all over my face. There's that. And then I'm just gonna use my beauty blender on those. The Glossier Stretch Concealer in the shade Medium with my finger. This concealer is awesome. It's not too much, but it does enough. Peach Natural, and I like the little spatula that it has. Okay, so now that this is done, I got this new stuff. I usually use the Glossier one. I always use it. It's awesome. But I got this new Essence stuff, and it's pretty nice. Like, there's with it on my eyebrow, and there's without. This is all I did with my eyebrows. I used to fill them in and like draw like the shape of them, but but I like the way that my natural eyebrows look better, and they're also already thick on their own, so they don't need anything. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Glow Kit in Gleam Mermaid brush. I'm gonna use Mimosa, which is this gold one. Alright, cool. Now, for the fun part, for my eyelids, I am gonna do gold. I'm gonna do gold eyeshadow, and then some cool red eyeliner. Something happened, my roommate's yelling no. This eyeshadow that I'm gonna use, it's the LA Colors Shimmering Eyeshadow with brush. And it comes with this little tiny brush. It's so glittery. I'm just going to pour it into the cap like this. And I'm gonna go to town. Bigger brush and spray it with some hairspray. And I know this sounds crazy, but shout out Easton who taught me this. So now I'm gonna take, this is my BH Cosmetics blending brush. Take it and blend the edges of this glitter out. Okay, so I did this eye. I'm gonna take my Tartelette in Bloom palette, the color Firecracker. Oh, this color, it's like a bronze. Liquid eyeliner, and we're going to be doing a little wing with it. So there's that. I'm gonna take that same Firecracker shade and run it underneath my lash line. So now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I've been using the CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom Waterproof because if I don't use waterproof, my eyelashes don't stay curled. Ah! I'm gonna use this little sugar. I have literally stuff all over my hands. It's the Sugar brand and it's called Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick Mini. Oh my god, I forgot that the camera was zoomed in. Okay, that's gotta be better. so there's that.